ngale nto engiyithanda kepha mina nginazo anginazo inkomo.
This is the area called Ozwathini. It's part of the Lembe municipality, an area that stretches from the plateau, the top of the coastal plateau, down all the way to Verulam and Tongaat. And what we're doing here at this point is ensuring that a certain level of fire protection be achieved so that runaway fires have little or no impact. So what we're actually doing is burning grasslands in order to protect the small plantations. And we've supplied some equipment which we'll see just now. I'm here to train the people because there's a limited knowledge on exactly how to burn, how to use the equipment, the techniques of burning. There are a lot of variables in it, and a lot of the people who are working with the more established growers are youngsters who actually haven't had experience in this sort of thing, and so the necessity is that we train them. And the reception so far has been absolutely fantastic. We've had wonderful cooperation, great enthusiasm, and a lot of energy from everybody involved.
Mina ngu O.M. Gube. Indawo enginayo ngisebenzisa uwatela nenkama. Isikhathi esiningi ukusebenza lokho kakhulu. Manje ke intuthuko ihamba ijali phezulu mbijana njalo ngoba siyaxebula sitshale sixebule sitshale. Kamdreni kodwa ke asuxebu asitshali njalo. Sitshala nje bese iyakhula njalo.
Angithi kwamanje siyasebenza uvikela umlilo.
Ya uvikela umlilo ya.
Wena ubona ukuhamba kanjani?
Uhamba kahle kakhulu.
Yeah. Okay, no, that's fine.
I am Bangani Pamo from the Punguzwa Farming and Project. We are planting some wildleaves and gum and cut it, sell it to the NCT timber with the bark. But so now with Mr. Blunt, we are making some fire belt. He helped us with the material to bend to bend that trellis.
Kepha mina nginazo anginazo inkomo zokulobola. Kepha mina nginephupho ngale ntombi engiyithanda. Isize mzala wami mtaka malume ake ungiboleke imali. Isize mzala wami mtaka malume ake ungiboleke imali. Ono ngalobola naye ngolethanda. Ono ngalobola naye.
So we better get up onto the plateau there as well. And we'll burn there, and then after lunch we'll see if there's time if we can do that little area there. This is a very basic way of drawing fire. It's a maize cob and a piece of wire. Okay. Dipped in a mixture of diesel and oil and lit, and that's what we pull the fire with. Okay. This is the cheapest piece of equipment you can get that can supply a proper water firefighting with water. It's a double-acting pump. It can be set to a jet at the nozzle. It has quite a range. That's what, 12 meters. Or you can set it to spray and anything in between. It pumps forward and back, double acting. So it's 18 litres, costs about 870 rand.
Kepa mina nginazo angina zinkomo zokulobola. Kepa mina nginephupho ngale ntombi. Mina nginephupho ngale ntombi. Kepa mina nginazo angina zinkomo zokulobola. Kepa mina nginephupho ngale ntombi engiyithanda. Ngisize mzala wami mntaka malume ake ungibole imali. Ngisize mzala
I'm Steve Germeshuizen of the Sandby Grasslands program, and the Sandby Grasslands program really originated from global environmental facility funding because of the recognition that grasslands were particularly threatened globally and that South Africa had a wealth of grasslands that need protection. In doing this, we decided as a strategy to partner the very industries and sectors that are impacting the grasslands and work closely with them in order to develop conservation strategies. And the outcome of this is that the forestry sectors become a major partner of the grasslands program, an important sector to work with. Ozwathini is a particularly important area for our program because Ozwathini itself has some rare and threatened species in some grasslands of particularly good condition. Some of the upper areas fall within the mist belt, and these little rocky outcrops are typical of areas that we want to protect. Often we find that they're high in biodiversity because they've been excluded from grazing and overburning, and so we'll find a lot of rare and threatened species occurring in these beautiful little outcrops. This particular outcrop has been protected and through the fire protection strategy. By burning a fire break at the top, one can have more control of the burning of the areas that are excluded and outside of the fire break areas. So this is a major win for us, is to work within these sorts of areas.
My name is Eric Msomi. I work for NCT Forestry Cooperative as a Member Services Coordinator, concentrating or specializing in helping or in servicing members of NCT from tribal authorities throughout KZN, say from Greytown to North Pondoland in the Eastern Cape. We help these guys to get their timber into the market, so we coordinate all the activities that are involved there. Over the years, NCT has been involved with growers in these areas, and particularly in the Ozwathini area, where there is a great potential for wattle, and the people of Ozwathini or members of the community of Ozwathini have taken this opportunity over the years and supply their timber to NCT or sold timber to NCT, in that way generating income. But there've been a decline in the supplies from these areas, particularly this area of Ozwathini. And we introduced, I think a year or two ago, a scheme whereby we are helping members of NCT from the community of Ozwathini to replant their plot of timber.
Inkosi yesoka wena